Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x cubed minus 5 plus square root of 5 times x plus 5 is equal to 0. To find the value of x. In the first step, we multiply this by this and it will be x cubed. In here, negative 5 times x, it will be negative 5x. And negative square root of 5 times x, it will be negative square root of 5x. And plus this 5 is equal to 0. And next step, we take these two parts together and these two parts together. And it will be, for these two parts, we factor x, and it will be x times, in here, x squared, this divided by this, it will be x squared. And this divided by this, it will be 5. And for these two parts, we factor negative 5, negative square root of 5. And this divided by this is x, and 5 divided by negative square root of 5, it will be negative square root of 5 is equal to 0, right? 5 in here, 5 divided by square root of 5, negative square root of 5, it will be negative, we can write 5 as square root of 5 times square root of 5, and over square root of 5, this will cancel this, and it will be negative square root of 5, right? So, in next step, in here, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, right? We can write this x squared minus 5, we can write this as x squared minus square root of 5 squared, right? And minus square root of 5 times x minus square root of 5 is equal to 0. And this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, and we can write this as a minus b times a plus b, right? So, in here, this is equal to x times a minus b, x minus square root of 5, and times a plus b, x plus square root of 5. And in here, minus square root of 5 times x minus square root of 5 is equal to 0. And x minus square root of 5 is common, so we factor x minus square root of 5. And for this part, we have x times x plus square root of 5, x times x plus square root of 5, and minus this, x minus square root, sorry, minus this, minus square root of 5, right? This part divided by this, it will be square root of 5 is equal to 0. And it will be in here x minus square root of 5, and times in here x times x is x squared, and x times square root of 5, it will be square root of 5x, and minus square root of 5 is equal to 0. And here we have two solutions for x. X is equal to x minus 5 square root of 5 is equal to 0, and x squared plus square root of 5x minus square root of 5 is equal to 0. In here, this is minus. In here, we take this square root of 5 to this side, and it will be x is equal to the square root of 5. And in here, we use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from here, a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is square root of 5, and c is constant is negative square root of 5. And in here, this is equal to x is equal negative b, negative square root of 5, it will be negative square root of 5, and plus or minus square root of b squared, square root of 5 squared, it will be 5 minus 4 times 1, 4 times 1, and times c. c is negative square root of 5 over 2a. 2 times 1 is 2. And x is equal to negative square root of 5 plus or minus square root of 5 minus this negative times this negative will be positive, so in here we have positive, and 4 times 1 is 4, and times square root of 5, it will be 4 square root of 5 over 2. So in here x is negative 5 plus or minus square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 5 over 2, and from here x is equal to 5. So we write in here x is equal to square root of 5, square root of 5, and we have 3 answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.